All right, this is Volleyball Master Coach powered by 360 Player Software. This is a great tool for you to use for your team, for anything that you need from a communication standpoint, and also from building out practice plans and drill libraries and all that good stuff. So I'm currently using this for my Cherokee Bluff middle school team, and I'm going to follow along and show you the different features. So here's the calendar feature. As you can see, we have practice coming up on June 12th. I can click into that practice, view the event. I can see how many people have accepted, declined, and haven't responded for that practice yet. If I see at the top, I see Wesley there. That was just a dummy account, so I just declined that. Then I scroll down. I can click on participants, see everyone who has accepted, who's declined. I see Lila's at UGA camp until 6/12, and then some people haven't responded yet because I just put this out today. Scroll down a little further, you see there's a session already added there, so I'm not going to be at practice, so I've pre-built these practice plans for the coaches while I'm gone. So this is what they're going to run. They click into these drills and it's going to give a description, and then they can hit play and it'll show them the flow of the drill, step by step of how each drill runs, and then they can also use the arrows to click back through step by step to see how things work, or if they didn't see it in the quick little play button. You see down below you have some coaching points there as well in each drill. Okay, moving on here to the chat feature. You can select a new chat by hitting the plus in the top right. You can choose a new chat or a new group. Once I click on that, I can see everyone on my team or teams that I have access to. Choose the people who I want to put in that group or chat. Select the parents there as well. Hit create group. I'm pretty sure that a parent is automatically added if you just add a kid anyways, but then you can type your message there and all your communication is done all in one place through the app, which is super cool. Click on team. I can see all the players who have signed up for the teams. If I click on an individual player, I could view their profile, message them, look at the goals that they have created, do performance review if you use that, notes, etc. You can see all the team, all the staff, all the parents in here, and then you see the group code and the different ways that you can invite team members to join the group. On to notifications. There's all my recent notifications. And then on to the best part, which is the development side of the app. So I click on training library, and then immediately what loads is a bunch of different exercises. At the top you see some different categories there: browse, team. There's nothing under team yet because I've been building everything under the club section, because then any team that adds to our platform has access to all these. So you see Danny has been in there actively building things today. You'll also see drills built by me. You'll also see drills built by David. These are the sessions, which are essentially your practice plans. You can see that's the practice plan that I ran today at Cherokee Bluff, and then the practice plan coming up for the 17th. You could duplicate this. I could add it to a different collection or where I wanted it to. So now I'm scrolling all the way down and I'm showing you different collections. So all of the practice plans that I use for Cherokee Bluff Middle School will be in a practice or in a collection. So if you want to, you can have your coach follow along and use all the same exact practice plans that I'm using for my team, or a coach could use the bits and pieces of it that they wanted to and then customize it for themselves here by building their own exercises and sessions and collections as they wish. So lots of really cool features here. This is back to my homepage and the dashboard. You can see on the wall I just did a post about how we had a really fun practice today, some goals, and then put a YouTube link there to a video about serving a volleyball, so the kids can go home and can get some extra work in. So this platform right now, I'm offering for free for anyone that wants to try it out, and then a very low cost. It's only $150 for your team to use it for the year. If you have multiple teams, it's $100 for each additional team and happy to work a custom price if you want to come along for your whole program. So check us out. Thank you.